All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Activity 12, World Series team roster. Check out Direction 4. You know how to do all those left-aligned tabs. Direction 8 is a new thing for you, and this is really slick. So pretend I asked you, you're looking at this, you have this access to this. You don't have to mess with it if you don't want to, but let's say I said, please rank these from in ascending order, 1 being the best and 48 being the worst. By ranking this by ad meter rank, you imagine you'd have to drag, you'd have to I don't even know what you'd do. You would have to click this, drag it up here. It would just be a nightmare. Drag things down. I just lost that. So Word has a really nice sort feature, and all you have to do is the key, guys and girls, is to highlight the header. This is called a header row. So the ad meter rank, name, average rating. This is a header row. So you want to highlight everything, and then right here on your formatting toolbar, see this A to Z with the down arrow? That's a sort. You want to click that. You get the sort by dialog box. All right. Now you got to make sure you click header row when you are doing your activity. Click header row, because what it does is it gives you these headers. It understands that you want to sort by these, and it'll keep these in the top here, but it'll sort all this information down here. It's pretty slick. So let's do ad meter. We want to sort by the ad meter right here, and that's a number. And ascending means A to Z. Descending means Z to A, right? Or ascending numbers means 1 to 10, or descending means 10 to 1, right? So let's do sort by ad meter. That's going to be this one. All right, and notice all the information stays with the numbers. So let's see what is 48. 1, universal. Let's see where it goes. Click away. Bam. Look. 48, universal. Fate of the Furious goes all the way to the bottom. So we have 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is pretty slick. Look how easy that was. Okay? That's Activity 12 World Series team roster. A lot of type in this one, but in the end, you have to sort by last name to make it look a lot more uniform and better. Okay? Cool.